Hey guys, what's up? I am back with the brand new video and the Vivo V19 is finally here in the house. So in this video, I'm gonna doing the speed test and comparison between the Vivo V19 up against the Vivo V17, and the Vivo V17 is powered by a Snapdragon 675 chipset with 8 GB of RAM, while the new Vivo V19 is powered by Snapdragon 712 chipset with 8 GB of RAM. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And you can see that low came up first on the Vivo V17 followed by the Vivo V19, and both phones is running on Android 10. We have Fun Touch OS version 7 on both these two devices, I believe. And seems like Vivo V17 it is faster there. Let's see. And you can see Vivo V17 it is still faster when it comes to booting up, while the Vivo V19 now it is also done about 1 or 2 second difference there between these two devices. And guys, you can see that both phones give you a very beautiful display. We have a full HD Super AMOLED display on both these two devices, but we have a single punch hole on the Vivo V17 versus a dual punch hole display on the Vivo V19. And you can see, and both phones give you a very excellent screen to body ratio. So now let's see the app's opening speed. Everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application I'm gonna launching is the phone dialer on both phones. Here we go. And you can see that is little bit faster on the new Vivo V19 followed by the Vivo V17. Settings, and that is little bit faster on the old Vivo V17 followed by the Vivo V19. Mic lock faster again on the V17. Let's see the calendar, and you can see about the same on both phones, no difference there. Now let's see the My Files on both phones, and you can see exactly the same on both phones. Calculator on both phones, and again about the same on both phones. So now let's launch some more apps. We have Amazon Shopping, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and you can see little bit faster on the Vivo V19 followed by the Vivo V17. And you can see now it is also done. So now let's see the scrolling, and you can see feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Spotify, and you can see exactly the same on both phones. Now let's see the Snapchat, and you can see that is little bit faster on the Vivo V17. Instagram, and that is faster on the new Vivo V19. Now let's launch some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. And let's see how much a difference between a Snapdragon 675 versus a Snapdragon 712, and you can see about the same on both phones, no difference there. Now let's see the Subway Surfer, and let's see who is faster there, and you can see about the same on both phones, exactly the same, about half a second difference there. And for some reason that Vivo V17 it is performed good. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and this time Vivo V19 it is just a tiny bit faster there, about half a second difference there between the Vivo V19 and the Vivo V17, and you can see about half a second difference there. This edge, and that is faster on the Vivo V19, and you can see, and now it is also done on the Vivo V17. Now let's see the Twitter, about the same on both phones. Last time I launching the cameras on both phones, default camera app, and that is about the same on both phones, and you can see, and both phones give you a quad cameras on the back. As you can see, we have a normal ultra wide depth sensor, and also we have a macro lens on both these two devices. And you can see, and the design language is also very similar on both these two devices, and the camera bump it is a lot bigger on the Vivo V19 compared to the Vivo V17. Now let's see the internet browser speed. I am using default Vivo internet browser on both these two devices, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first website we have is the wikipedia.org on both phones, and launching at the same time. And you can see that Vivo V19 it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Vivo V17. Now let's see the scrolling feels very smooth on both phones. Next on the list is the wwe.com, It's a heavy website. Let's see who is faster there. And seems like Vivo V19 this time it is again faster there. Let's see, and you can see that the Vivo V19 it is faster there, while the Vivo V17 it is still taking some time. The scrolling and you can see feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Both phones perform really smooth. Now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. We have a 8 GB of RAM on both these two devices, so very interesting to see who is perform better. In the RAM measurement we have phone dialer, no refresh, settings, no refresh, mic lock. Let's see the calendar, again no refresh, my files, calculator, Amazon shopping, no refresh, see the Spotify, that is also not refresh, Snapchat, same result, Instagram. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga, that is also not refresh on both phones, Subway Surfer, and you can see again no refresh on both phones perform really good in the RAM measurement. Last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, that is also not refresh on both these two devices, but still Vivo V17 and the Vivo V19 is performed really good in the RAM measurement. Zedge, let's see the Twitter, and last we are back to the internet browser where we left. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed it is definitely a little bit faster on the new Vivo V19, but I have to say that not a huge difference between the Vivo V17 and the Vivo V19. RAM measurement is absolutely incredible on both these two devices. I am really impressed by the performance of the Vivo V17. It is still right behind to the Vivo V19. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Vivo V17 and the Vivo V19. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the Vivo V19. I will do it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.